Hello everyone, hope you are fine and doing well. Today I'm here with a new video in which I will explain how you can show the connection speed on the screen or on your display in Redmi 10 and 10 Prime. So firstly, if you are new to the channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon so you can get the new videos. Now let's move toward the topic. In this video I will show you and I will explain how you can show the connection speed of your connected network in your on your display. So just follow the steps and watch complete video.